mathematics lesson. It's called divide tens, hundreds, and thousands. You know, boys, if you memorize the multiplication table, will you will not find any problem in division. So let's get started. And let me start with Abdul Mohsen. Okay. Abdul Mohsen, you said you have a problem with your PC, and I have a problem with my PC as well. Wait. I'm gonna fix it. Better, why are you writing on my screen? I'm gonna punish you. Yes, Mr. Abdul Mohsen.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. If I write here 5 multiplied by 60, what is the answer?
350.
300?
50.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
I'll give you like 3 seconds to think again. 5 multiplied by 60.
I mean 300.
300. Okay. So when we multiply 5 and 60, the answer is 300, and we can say 300 is a product. Is what? Product. Okay?
Yes. And
Now,
the others are the factors.
now, what is the opposite operation of multiplication?
Division.
Division, right. Now I'll put this 300 down,
Put the answer.
and then I'll change this sign from multiplication to be divided by, and I'll put one of the both factors here, 5 or 60. I'll put here 5, and I'm gonna write equals,
The answer is
and I need the answer here.
60. 60.
So this time 300 is called not product. This called, what do you know what is the name of this 300 in this place? Dividend.
Yes.
Dividend
And
means,
divisor.
wait. Dividend means the number which I want to divide it or to share it among a certain number of people or something. Okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, dividend, not dividend. Okay. Dividend, and 5 is called divisor, right?
Yes.
Divisor is the number which I want to divide on it. Divisor. And the answer must be what? What is the name of the answer in this case? Quotient. Quotient, okay?
Okay.
So if you want to divide any number, this number is called dividend, like 300. 5 after the sign of divided by is called divisor, and the answer will be quotient. So what is the answer now, Abdul Mohsen?
60.
Yeah, 60. How did you get the answer?
Because 50 times 60 is 300.
Yeah, very nice. And
If
if I
we put
don't know what is the
zero,
answer, if I don't know what is the answer exactly, you have to check how many zeros for the dividend. We have here 2 zeros, right?
yes.
We have to put them in the quotient, the answer. But if I put 2 zeros here in the quotient, after that you will find that we have only 3. 3 divided by 5 can be done. You have to divide big number by a small number, but not the opposite. And because you know 3 is smaller than 5, so don't write the whole 2 zeros. Just choose 1 0 and put it here in the quotient. Then 30 divided by 5. What is 30 divided by 5? I have to ask myself, I multiply 5 by which number? By what number? The answer will be 30. You have to ask yourself by this way. So 5 multiplied by 6, right?
Yes.
30 divided by 5 is going to be 6. So the question here, 300 divided by 5 is going to be 60. Thank you very much. Okay, Nether.
Yes.
Okay, Nether, I'm gonna write here 360 divided by 6.
Okay.
How many zeros for the dividend? Dividend, I mean by dividend 360. How many zeros for this number?
Only 1 0.
Only 1 zero. Put it in the answer, okay?
Okay.
Then delete it from the dividend.
Yeah,
Now we have 36 divided by 6. What number, if you multiply it by 6, the answer must be 36?
6.
Yeah, so 36 divided by 6, I mean 36 this time divided by 6 is going to be 6. So the answer is 60. Thank you very much. Ahmed Omar.
Yes, Mister.
540 divided by 9.
We will put the 0.
Put the 0.
Then we will delete it from the number.
Okay.
Now
we have 54 divided by 9.
9 times 6 equals 54.
Because you know 9 multiplied by 6 is going to be 54. So the answer is stay 60. Ahmed, if I put in the dividend another 0, what is the
It will
answer?
be 600.
It will be 600. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Taha?
Yeah.
Taha, how are you?
Good.
Look at this one. 2,400 divided by 6. I'm sorry. Huh? Look at this one. 2,400 divided by 6. Taha, no problem. How many zeros for dividend?
2 zeros.
Yeah. Can you put them in the quotient? The answer? Then delete them from the dividend. Now we have 24.
Yeah.
Divided by 6. What number if you multiply it by 6? The answer will be 24. Can you check multiplication table? 6 times what number is going to be 24?
6 times 4.
Right. So write 4 here in the quotient. Now the answer, the quotient is 400. Is it easy or hard?
Easy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yusuf, good morning.
Good morning.
I'll give you a very hard question.
Oh no, please.
Okay. 6,000 divided by 12.
Bless me, God.
So how many zeros for the dividend?
2. I mean 3, because it's 6,000.
There are 3 zeros. If I put them in the quotient, then if I delete them from the dividend,
it will be 6
6
divided
by 6 divided by 12. Can I divide 6 by 12? No.
Yes, you can.
No, we can't divide small number by a big number. Supposed to be the opposite. You have to divide big number by small number. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, we can delete 3 zeros. And instead of that, we have to delete How many zeros? Only?
It is 3. 3.
Only 2 zeros.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, because it's gonna be 60
Yeah,
divided
it's
by
gonna be
12.
60 divided by 12, and 60, as you know, is bigger than 12, so can
Yeah.
be done. Can be done. So I'll delete 0 again from here, from the quotient. Then
Yeah.
it will be 60 divided by 12.
Okay, so 6 divided by 12 equals 5.
Yeah, thank you very much. So
Okay.
it will be 500. Now, if you want to make sure that your answer is right, what should you do?
Yeah.
What is the opposite operation of division?
It's multiplication.
Multiplication. If I multiply 500 by 12, how many zeros here for both numbers?
2
Two
multiply
zeros.
0.
No. Just put
Yeah.
zeros.
Oh, okay. We put the zeros.
Yusuf, when we have 0, it will
Yeah.
be the operation more easier.
Okay.
So we have 2 zeros here, then multiply 5 by 12.
Okay. So 5 multiply 12. Okay, so 5 multiply 1 first, it's 5. Then 5 multiply 2,
No,
10.
you have to multiply 5 by 2.
Okay, so 5 by 2 is 10.
It's very easy. If you multiply 5 by 12, I'm pretty sure that you keep it in your mind. 5 multiplied by 12.
Oh. 5 multiplied.
What is 5 times 10?
60.
60. 5 times 12 is going to be 60. If you
So
find that we
it's
have the
smaller.
same dividend, so your answer is right.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready for the math exam, science exam today?
Yes, I'm ready for it because I studied hard.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Danny?
Yes.
How are you, Danny?
Good.
Okay. This one. Can you help?
How
many zeros for dividend?
1 0.
Yeah, put it in the quotient. Then delete it from the dividend. We have here 72 divided by 12. Can we divide 72 by 12?
Yes, because it's bigger than
72
12.
is bigger than 12. Yeah. So what number, if you multiply it by 12, the answer will be 72.
Yeah, so 72 divided by 12 equals
You can check table 12. Like 12 by, choose any number. Choose any number. 12 by 4, 12 by 5.
12 by 5.
12 by 5. What's 12 by 5? If you listen to Yusuf before, Yusuf said 5 multiplied by 12 is going to be 60. Now 12 by 6, it's table 12. You have to add 12 each time.
Oh, so 12. Okay, that means it's going to be 72.
72.
So it means
Yeah, we got it. Look at this one. 72. So 72 divided by 12 is going to be what?
it's going to be 6.
6,
Wait.
right? 6. Because
Yeah,
you
6.
multiply 12 by 6 is going to be 72.
Yes. Yeah, so it's going to be 60.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, you understand that now?
Yes. I thought it was going to be 72,000.
No,
I was
no,
so
no.
scared.
Okay. Thanks. Sattam?
Yes.
Sattam, can you help in this one? 120 divided by 2.
Yeah.
It's very easy. You can find it mentally or by using the same steps. How many zeros for the dividend here, Sultan?
1.
1 0, put it in the quotient. Then you have to delete it from the quotient, like this one. I'm sorry, from the dividend. Then we have 12 divided by 2. Can we divide them?
Yes.
Yeah, because 12 is bigger than 2. What is 12 divided by 2? What number if you multiply it by 2? The answer will be 12. 2 times what number is going to be 12, Sultan?
6.
Yeah, right. So it's 6. Put this 6 here in the quotient. What is your quotient? What is the answer?
60.
60. And how can you find the answer mentally? 120 divided by 2. If you have $120 and you want to share it between me and you, what is the share of each one?
60.
60. Easy. Okay. Faisal? Morning.
Yes.
Faisal, what about this one? 60 divided by 3.
We put the 0.
I put it.
Then we do 6 multiply 3
Multiply or divided by?
divided.
Divided by, because you know the operation here is divided by. To figure out what is 6 divided by 3, you have to find the opposite operation, which is multiplication. Write this 3 down here. Multiply by what number is gonna
2.
be 6? Yeah, very nice. You said it's 2, right? Then write this 2 here. 60 divided by 3 is 20. You got it?
Can you give me a hard question next time? That's so easy.
Don't worry. Now let's open your book, page 216. Quickly, please. Yusuf Oda, you are sleeping? Okay, open your book 216, please. $216. Now, question 6. We're gonna do it together. Yusuf Auda, how can you find the answer of number 6? Can you see it on your own? Good morning, Yusuf. 560 divided by 8.
Wait, where is it?
You can see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So we have here dividend divided by divisor is gonna be equal to quotient. 560 divided by 8. How many zeros for the dividend? The first one? Yes, say it again.
1.
1 0. I have to write it in the quotient. Okay.
Yeah.
Then delete it from the dividend. Now we have 56 divided by 8. Now choose 8 to figure out what number if you multiply it by 8. The answer will be 56.
Okay.
I'll give you like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? No. Think slowly and give me the answer. 8 times what number is going to be 56?
7.
Yeah, 7. I have to put 7 in the quotient. 70. If you want to make sure that your answer is right, you have to multiply 70 and 8. I'm going to multiply it here. 70 multiplied by 8. We have 1 0 for both numbers, so I'm going to put it down. Then 8 multiplied by 7 is going to be 56. Oh, the product here is 560. The same dividend. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Muhammad Mazen,
Yes, but page what?
number 7, this one.
7?
Yeah,
Page what I mean?
page 216. And leave your book right now. Focus on my screen. Concentrate. Number 7, 6,400 divided by 8. How many zeros for the dividend?
600. 6 divided by 8. 0.
How many zeros?
2.
2 zeros. Put them in the quotient.
And then do check and zeros.
Wait, delete them from the dividend.
Yeah.
Now
and
we
I
have
got to them.
64. Yeah. We have 64 divided by 8. Can we divide 64 by 8?
No.
Why no? We can,
Yes.
because 64 is bigger than 8.
Oh.
So 64 divided by 8. It's table what, Muhammad? Table 8.
Yeah.
Table 8. 8 times what number is going to be 64?
64.
8 times what number is going to be 64? Yes, Muhammad Sultan. What do you need?
So which page?
216. Muhammad Mazen, you got the answer?
Not really.
Okay, 8 times 8 is 64. Okay?
Okay.
So what is 8 times 8?
64.
Thank you very much. Talal,
Yes, teacher.
number 8. Can you help?
Number 8.
Yeah. 3,500 divided by 7.
What mean divided?
Sorry? Talal, what did he say?
What mean divide?
What mean?
Yes.
You don't know what is multiplication?
Wait, I can't hear you good. Now I can hear.
Okay. So we have here 3,500, which is called dividend, divided by, you mean you want to share or to divide 3,500 among 7 persons.
Teacher.
So, yes.
I didn't find the answer.
So divided here means you want to share this amount of, for example, of dollars among 7 persons.
Mean we give 7 persons.
Yeah, this
Like,
number
oh,
of dollars, $3,500.
Teacher.
Yes, Talal, I'm hearing you.
I didn't find the page.
Talal,
What page was it
No,
again?
what? Let me-
216, page 216. Again, Talal, we have how many zeros for the dividend?
2.
Put them in the quotient, then delete them from the quotient. Then we have 35 divided by 7. So it's table what? Table 7. Table
Yes.
7. 7 multiplied by what number is going to be 35?
الدرس حلها.
Yes, Talal, 7 multiplied by what number is going to be 35?
7 multiply.
Okay, I will help you. Don't worry. Can you write with me? Yes?
7 multiply by 7.
No. What is 7 multiplied by 1?
It's 7.
7. Then multiply by 2.
It's 14.
Okay. Multiply by 3.
14.
21.
21.
What is 7 multiplied by 4?
28.
28. Nice. What's 7 multiplied by 5?
24. 35.
35. Oh, we get it. So 7 times what number is going to be 35?
5.
5. Now 35 divided by 7 is equal to what?
7 multiplied by
35 divided by 7. I'm talking about this part. You said 7 times 5 is going to be 35. So the opposite operation 35 divided by 7 is going to be 5. Okay? This one. Thanks a lot. Okay. Abdulaziz.
yes, teacher.
Number 9.
Okay.
We have here the dividend divided by the divisor is not exist. We need to figure out what is the divisor here. Is equal to 60. 60 is the quotient.
Okay.
So we can do the same operation by writing 420 divided by the quotient, which is 60. Okay?
Okay.
So if you divide the dividend by the quotient, you will figure out what is the divisor. Can you tell me how many zeros for the dividend?
2.
For the dividend, only for the dividend?
1.
Yeah. And we can, if you find that we have 1 0 for the dividend, we have to write it in the quotient, right?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we have here a problem. You know what is the problem?
What?
We have a 0 for the dividend, and as well we have 0 for the divisor. So we can't put 0 in the quotient in the answer. So we have to delete this 0 with this 0.
Okay.
And this one is different from the multiplication. Because in the multiplication, we have to calculate how many zeros and put them in the answer, right?
Yeah.
But in the division, if you find that we have 1 0 in the first number and 1 0 in the second number, we have to delete them together. So I deleted 0 from the dividend and 0 from the divisor. Now we have 42 divided by 6. What is the answer? What's 42 divided by 6? 42 divided by 6. It's table what, Abdulaziz?
Table 6.
Table 6. So 6 times what number is going to be 42? What is 6 times 6?
What?
6 times 6?
20.
Okay. Abdulaziz, you have to revise the multiplication table, please.
Okay.
I sent the, you know the song? I
Yeah.
sent it yesterday. You have to revise this song again.
Okay.
So 6 multiplied by 7 is going to be 42. So 42 divided by 6 is going to be 7. So the answer here is 7. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Number 10. The dividend is not exist. So, you know, I said before, if you want to make sure that your answer is right, you have to multiply the quotient by the divisor. If you multiply them together, you will find the dividend, the first one. Who can help me in this one? Suleiman. Suleiman?
Teacher?
Thank you, Taha. I click on you by mistake. Suleiman?
Yes, mister.
In number 10, what number divided by 4 is going to be 30?
5.
No, wait. What is the opposite operation of division?
What?
What is the opposite of division?
Opposite.
Yeah. We
Five.
have 4 operations, Suleiman, we have 4 operations in math. Plus, minus, multiply, and divided by, okay? Silman, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
The opposite of plus is minus. And the opposite of divided by is times or multiply.
You want to know how much divided by 4 is 30?
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish.
So
Let me
what is the
see.
opposite of operation of division?
Times?
Yeah, times. So we're going to multiply 30 by 4 to find out what is the dividend. Okay? 30 multiplied by 4.
100 and 120?
Yeah, you're right. Again, I illustrate it for you. Like what number here divided by 3 is going to be 40. Oh, the dividend here is not exist. So I have to find the opposite operation of divided by, which is times, multiplication. Then put this one, the quotient, put it here. Then write the divisor down, which is 3. Multiply them together. 40 by 3 is going to be 120. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So 120 here, you have to write it in the place of dividend. You understand that?
Yeah,
Thank you. Another one, Suleiman, please.
okay.
Space divided by 2 is equal to 300. How can you find that?
Mr.
Yes.
So number 10, we're gonna put 120.
Yeah, 120. Now in this one, can you help?
Wait, yeah, I'm right. No, I'm good. Yes. Okay.
What number divided by 2 is 300?
2 is 300.
The same question, Suleiman. Can you see my screen, Suleiman?
Yeah. You're gonna put 300 times 2, 600.
600 divided by 2 is going to be 300. Thank you. Now by yourself, students, you have to find number 11, 13, and 14. No. Make it 11 and 12. The problem solving here, I'm gonna choose Jamal. Jamal, are you here? You know why I choose you, Jamal? Read number 15, please. Jamal, open microphone, please.
Okay, hi.
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 Can you read number 15?
Number 15.
Read it.
I put 600 pennies into 6 equal rolls. How many pennies were in each roll?
Can you help?
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Gonna try to do it because there's 3 minutes left.
3 minutes? Yeah. So, Jamal put 600 pennies into 6 equal rolls. How many pennies were in each roll? So it's division, divided by. Okay?
Yes.
So 600 divided by?
6.
Divided by 6. What is the answer?
Gonna try to do the math now.
600 divided by? 6. Very easy.
10.
How many zeros for the dividend?
Wait. How many zeros for dividend?
I can't hear you properly.
2.
2 zeros. Put them the quotient. Then delete them from the dividend. Then
Yeah.
divide 6 by 6. What is 6 divided by 6?
What? 1. So
1.
it's 100.
100. How many pennies? 100 pennies. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Ammar,
Yes.
do you understand the lesson?
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
You understand it
Yes.
very much or?
Not very much.
Okay. Can you help me in this one? 250 divided by 5. Ammar,
Yes.
how can you solve this one? How many zeros for the dividend?
1.
1 0. Put it here. Then delete it from here. Okay?
Okay.
Then divide 25 by 5. Like if you have $25 and you want to share them among 5 person, how many dollars for each one? 25 divided by 5. So what is 5 multiplied by any number to get 25? 5 times what number is 25, Ammar? Quickly.
5. 5.
5. So put this 5 here. This is the answer, Ammar.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. Next class. I think it's computer class today. Yeah, computer class today. Thank you very much and see you later. Goodbye.
Teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Because all my school is the most boring thing ever.